What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about your Mercedes-Benz being stuck in park. Let's check it out.
If your Mercedes-Benz is experiencing an immobilizing lock in park, do not replace the electronic valve body until you check the transmission control module software. Mechanics consistently make that massive parts cannon mistake when the vehicle is paralyzed, incorrectly assuming the internal mechanical parking powel has catastrophically shattered. I am going to explain exactly why this specific system tricks advanced diagnostic scanners, what the hidden software engineering defect actually is, and precisely what it costs to permanently repair it. This immobilizing condition appears to affect several models from 2015 through 2024, including the C-Class, E-Class, GLC-Class, and the GLE-Class, plus others equipped with the 4-cylinder powertrain. You casually press the ignition button, pull the steering column selector downward toward drive, and absolutely nothing happens mechanically in the drivetrain. Frustrated owners posting on the MB World enthusiast forums constantly describe the absolute helpless panic of being permanently stranded at fuel pumps, entirely unable to even shift into neutral to roll out of the way. If you grab an advanced bidirectional diagnostic tool like an Autel Maxis US or an iCarSoft MB-specific scanner, you will most likely pull a definitive set of transmission faults. You will typically retrieve code P073E400, explicitly indicating the park position cannot successfully disengage, or code P073E00, confirming reverse gear remains completely unavailable. Let us break down the exact mechanical physics occurring deep inside your 9-speed automatic transmission when you attempt to shift out of gear. Your steering column selector sends a rapid digital data command straight down the vehicle network bus to the internal Variable Gear Selector transmission control unit. This transmission module subsequently activates an electric auxiliary hydraulic fluid pump, rapidly sending pressurized fluid coursing through the complex aluminum valve body directly toward specific shift solenoids. Right before the transmission physically retracts the hardened steel parking powel out of the locking gear, the computer automatically executes an incredibly fast, high-pressure diagnostic monitoring cycle. During this split-second system check, the module aggressively pulses hydraulic fluid straight into the primary disengaging clutch to safely verify adequate internal holding pressure exists. The hidden manufacturer defect causing your breakdown is actually a highly specific mathematical logic glitch buried deeply inside the code of the Variable Gear Selector software, versions 19A or 19B. That flawed transmission software severely miscalculates the required solenoid duty cycle, unintentionally commanding a massive, completely unnecessary surge of highly pressurized fluid directly into the clutch piston chamber. Sensitive internal transmission pressure sensors immediately detect this violent, abnormal hydraulic spike and instantly trigger a catastrophic safety lockout protocol to prevent theoretical mechanical self-destruction. The onboard computer intentionally traps that thick metal locking powel tightly inside the gear ring, effectively holding your premium vehicle hostage, even though your internal hardware is totally undamaged. To permanently resolve this immobilizing digital issue without unnecessarily replacing mechanical hardware, a factory-trained technician must securely connect a battery maintainer and launch the official Mercedes-Benz Zentry software suite. If an official updated software patch currently exists for your specific vehicle identification number, the technician will download the corrected file and comprehensively reflash your transmission control module. This newly updated programming permanently alters the internal hydraulic clutch mapping, smoothly regulating the fluid pressure curve so the sensors never panic again during that pre-shift monitoring cycle. If no direct software patch exists for your specific chassis, the technician must carefully execute a specific digital command titled Resetting of Adaptation Values Park Powel. This aggressive reset violently clears the incorrectly learned hydraulic baseline, forcing the transmission computer to immediately relearn its proper fluid dynamics without needlessly tripping the protective electronic lockout mechanism. Because you are strictly paying for specialized diagnostic time and programming labor, an independent Mercedes specialist shop will likely charge around $140 to permanently resolve this issue. A dealership will likely quote around $250 to perform this exact same comprehensive software repair. So hit that like button if this saved you a massive bill, subscribe, and tell me your exact experience below.
That is it for today. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.